Today we got a video from Watch Cop Cam, and the title of the video is When You're Too Drunk to Understand Reality.
On March 9, 2023, officers responded to a welfare check after a concerned motorist stopped to help a stranded driver. The driver inside seemed dazed and confused, unable to grasp that her car was severely damaged. She continued trying to drive it as if nothing was wrong.
She has no idea their car's broken. I don't know if she hit her head or if she's intoxicated. Anything, so she's like,
what do you want to say?
What? I haven't seen the car from you, ma'am. David Victor 7593.
Okay, stay right
David
there.
Victor 7593. You guys see this all, or?
we came off the base and we saw her tire just like that.
You see my tire,
Come here,
what?
come here. I'll show you your tire.
Your tire.
Cool. I'm going to do this tire right here. What's about it?
You see how it's not supposed to be facing that way? It's no longer
Cool.
attached to your vehicle.
Okay.
Okay. You have insurance?
Yes, I have insurance and everything else.
That's a brand new car.
It's a brand new car.
Okay, I still need your insurance, man.
I got it.
Can I see your insurance, please?
Yes, you can. You can see my insurance.
Okay.
Thank
You got someone coming to get you,
you. Yeah.
ma'am?
My wife doesn't understand where she's at, even though she told me she's a petty officer in the Navy.
Okay. Can you put her on the phone so I can talk to her and tell her where you're at?
Yes. Don't worry about it.
You're good, man.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, baby.
The Friday Throwback Dance Party with DJ.
You got AAA?
Yeah, I got everything you
Call
need.
from Jack.
I got everything you need, baby.
Did you hit
You
anything?
need what?
Did you hit anything, or you just been skidding?
Baby, I ain't hit nothing.
Okay, I'm asking you. What happened?
What you looking?
Call from Reed Alpha ND.
They're not involved. They just saw the car.
I'm gonna call you back. Call Spades and tell her to call me.
I'm calling her. She's not answering the phone. Let them know that that's a new car. Let me speak to the police.
What'd you say, Micah?
Okay, look, hey, come here. This my
Hold on.
cousin.
What?
Tell them I'm a police officer.
I know, I told them already.
All right, where your police officer at?
She right here.
Where's your police officer at?
She in the police officer in Chicago.
In Chicago?
Yeah.
Okay. I need someone to come get you. Your car needs to be towed because it can't be driven anymore.
How come?
Your tire's hanging off.
How? Where?
I showed it to you just a second ago. Your
Did they
tire's
say
hanging
no?
off. Yes, I did.
Let me.
See, I'm not gonna lie. People could get out of this jam. You know, people get out of jams like this all the time. If you just zip it and find a ride fast, okay? By the time when you hand over your information and the cop go back in the car, type up his little accident report, by the time he done doing that, if somebody there to come grab you, the officer probably not gonna really push the issue. You know what I'm saying? He probably not gonna go over the top. It's snowing out, you know, he probably not gonna go over the top. But the more you keep talking and lollygagging, and because you slurring your speech, I could tell you drunk. I could already tell you drunk. But the officer saying, hey, I need somebody to come get you, yada yada. That's letting you know, hey, if you take it, I'm not gonna push the issue. But if she don't get it together, they're gonna get her together, man. Let's lock in, man.
Put the shirt. Julissa, I just picked up this bitch car. Hell.
Let me see your insurance.
What? I got insurance.
I still need to see your
Bet.
insurance.
All right, Julissa, I'm gonna call you right back. Promise. I promise. I'm gonna call you right back.
Where's your...
Don't need
You said
right
your
back.
wife's in the Navy?
Yes.
Okay.
The baby is in a Navy.
Right here on this base?
Yes.
All right, she needs to come get you.
She.
Where do you live?
Okay,
Where do you live?
Worry about it.
No,
All
you
right,
can't
watch
drive
out.
anywhere. Stop.
Watch out.
You can't drive.
Baby.
Don't touch me. Stop.
Gee.
You cannot drive anywhere you don't have a tire. Your tire is gone.
How am I tired?
Put it in front.
Baby,
not in
I
drive.
just got it.
Put it in front. Come here again. Get out of the car.
No, I'm not getting no.
Get out of the car so you can see your tire again. You need to get towed. Where do you live?
Watch
Stop.
this way. Baby, don't
Stop
smack my
touching
shit
me.
this way. I'm gonna smack you this way. Don't smack me the other way.
Stop fucking touching touching me, you fucking idiot. You fucking...
Don't touch me.
Stop. Stop. I gotta call my best.
No way. How?
Put your arms behind your back now. Put him behind your back.
Unbelievable.
How?
Put him behind your back on the TV again.
Got her together.
How? Baby, you know how to do shit. To you.
32 Star Hook location.
I ain't do nothing
Let's get up.
to you.
Come on, let's get up.
Baby, I ain't do shit to you. Hold on.
Let's go.
Baby.
Let's go.
Hold on. Let me talk to...
You're not talking to anybody.
How come? I ain't do this shit to nothing.
Have a seat in my car.
Baby.
Have a seat in my car.
No.
Listen, sit in the car.
Baby.
I'm gonna tease you again.
I hate when people talk like that. Like, when they use like baby, sweetie, and all. It's so cringe. Like, and I get it. Sometimes, like, older people talk like that. Like, it's okay, but man, it's really cringe. Like, these are officers. You think they want to hear you, baby, baby, baby? Like, and I know she doesn't mean it anything like sexual or anything like that, but it's just so cringe watching. Like, it's just all you had to do was call a ride. He was gonna let you slide. He could tell you drunk, but you doing too much. You touching on him, baby, grabbing on him. Yeah, he say, you fucking idiot. Like, get up, touching me.
I don't want to pay.
I ain't do
Your
shit.
drunk ass, man. Take your drunk ass to jail.
Baby. But I ain't do nothing for nothing. Hey.
Put your foot in the car and
Yeah,
I'll talk to you. I will talk to you.
You don't want to listen to me, you don't
Yes,
listen.
I'm going to listen to you, but I mean,
You know it though. I'm asking you. I'm really asking you.
And I'm going to tell you. You fucking stupid bitch. I'm looking forward to you. Yeah, I still know what you hear.
See, you heard him. I ain't gonna say that, but I'll run it back a little bit. But hey, yeah, stupid.
I'm really asking
And
you.
I'm going to tell you. You fucking stupid bitch. I'm looking forward to you. Yeah, I still know what you hear. All I saw, I get out and I see her running after you. I'm like, what the heck's going on? And she kept going like this, like, move, I'm going to close her. I'm like, stop touching me, stop. She went swerving from all the way back there. What's that? Her ex was swerving all the way back there. Well, it's hard to tell. She's been sitting there a while because there's no traffic. I can't see what she did. She did something. Yeah, I know. She came off the naval base. I think she came off the... No, she couldn't have came off the naval base. Couldn't have. I don't know, man. I was gonna tase her and push it. Like, all right, because she had this. I was like trying to. What did she have? Did she have something in her hands? No, she was just trying to grab my shit.
Baby, I don't do shit.
32 be transport 1 female, beginner mileage 10.9.
I ain't with you. Speak a little louder.
I wasn't talking to you. I was on the radio.
10.9 and 2100.
I was on the radio. I wasn't talking to you.
What you say?
Nothing.
No. Baby, you take me in a place I don't know. Where? Hello?
We're going to the police station.
No.
Yes.
What you mean? I don't do shit.
All right, man.
Baby, I got my purse and shit, everything.
I got your purse and shit.
What you mean?
Will you fucking stop already? You already got tased once. You done?
No, I'm not done.
Roll over. Get your ass up. Let's go inside.
Here you go. My rooms and everything else in the purse.
I got your purse. I got your glass. I got your cell phone.
Hold on. Wait.
Do you want me to fold your pants?
No. Yeah, you can. Thank you. I got in my part, my glasses and
I
everything.
got it all.
No, yes you do.
Yes, sweetheart. I have all your glasses,
Baby.
your cell phone.
I don't do nothing. I don't do shit else.
Alright. Cool.
Look.
What do you want, my key? Stop!
I don't know. What you mean?
I'm literally grabbing by the arms telling you to stop.
What you mean? Baby girl, grab me.
No, she didn't.
Yes, she did.
Walked away. She never
Baby,
did anything.
let me go. Baby, I'm here. Can you please give me my car?
You're not getting your car. You can't drive your car.
I'm not
Car
trying
has
to
no
grab.
tire.
Baby, I'm trying to. No. You see what I mean?
Stop.
You see that?
Yeah, your handcuffs are going to come off soon if you're going to
Baby.
comply. They're not going to come off. You're going to be an idiot still.
You got it. I'm not nothing like an idiot, so. Baby, that's the funny part about the whole situation. I ain't shit to do shit. No. Baby. Stop playing. Baby, I ain't did shit, nothing. Y'all motherfuckers. Y'all so cute. I love you. Let me go. Baby, please. Because I ain't did shit.
Here's what's going to happen. Listen to me.
I hear you.
I'm going to take one of them handcuffs off, your earrings.
Baby.
And no, shut up. Your earrings,
No,
no
you
reason
shut
to come
up.
up.
No, watch out. Baby, please. Please. I haven't done
You're
nothing.
not winning this. Will you stop?
Baby, I'm not trying to win nothing. I haven't done nothing to you now.
Can you do me a favor and sit down?
Yes, for you, I will. But I haven't done nothing.
Sit down.
My wife coming. Here, look at you. Look at you. Look at me.
Listen to what I'm telling you. This is what's going to happen. I'm going to take the cuffs off you. You got to process so you can go home. Are you listening to me?
So,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm trying. Come on. Come on.
Okay.
So, stay down here. Baby, stay down here. Hey, so, I'm a mid. I've never been arrested in my life, right?
Oh, you are now.
Correct.
You know.
So, because you, hey, you gonna listen to me or you gonna, okay, cool. You gonna entertain them?
No, they're just here to make sure that you
I
don't.
don't give a fuck about them, bitch.
Stop swearing.
Like, I don't give a fuck about them.
Okay, and let me
I'm
take.
talking to you.
Can they
Right?
process you so we can get you out
I
of
don't
here?
give a fuck about them.
I do because.
So, I'm an army brat. My mother and my father and my wife is in this whole
You think your mom and dad would feel about how you're behaving right now?
And they gonna say, man, you're crazy. The fuck? The blah, 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 and chew me the fuck out. But, let me tell you, hey, y'all. Babe, I love you, and I love you too. So, don't mind me, right? You
You're
can
gonna process
do
everything right out?
I still got to write your tickets. I got to get charges.
Cool.
Okay. Are you ready to get out of here?
Y'all done?
I mean, we can leave her cuffed to the bed for now.
You wanna
Come
you
back
wanna
in
leave?
15 minutes.
Cool. Y'all wanna take a shot?
You choose to start processing.
I got a shot at do say no.
If I do egg bad, it's got to be screaming.
Both.
Even if I do egg assault, it's still got to be. But
When did you get hurt?
How is it assault
When did you get
anything?
struck? Okay.
How is it assault with
I wasn't there, you tell me.
How is it any
I mean,
assault?
I can do assault and disorder of count or resisting. It doesn't matter to me.
I didn't do any of those things.
Forehead.
Baby,
You know?
you can't tell me anything other than what I've been doing, which is right here.
We'll do assault and disorder of count.
Okay.
Listen.
This is cringe. I'm cringing. Well, I was cringing the whole time watching this. This was brutal to get through. I'm not even gonna lie, man. She is bombed. He, you know, I don't know, man. Even at the end, I thought that was pretty crazy that she let, even though she was just trying to grab him to tell him to come sit down or whatever, to let her get that close to your magazine and stuff like what are you doing? What are you? This part right here, man. This part right here, when he was standing.
So I'm checking. Come on.
No way you let somebody do that. What's wrong with you, man? You don't let shit like that go on. Like, I ain't even got shit to say. I don't got nothing to say, man. This shit was just horrible. She's drunk. These cops is, I like what they did in the beginning, you know what I'm saying? But that wasn't this officer. It was the one that actually has the body cam or whatever. I don't know what's up with this guy. You don't let her come and grab.